Fifth grade Shurley method, page 29, part 1. So this is where we're doing pattern 3 again. So we just learned that. The soldier asked my father and me many questions. Who asked my father and me many questions? Soldier. Subject. Noun. What is being said about the soldier? Verb. Asked what? Questions, right? Or questions the same thing as soldier? It's the direct object. Ask becomes the verb translated. Okay. Ask the questions to whom? So that is a compound indirect object. Okay. How many questions? And whose father? Because that's a pronoun adjective. And then the pattern. Official right? Period. The verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, because there isn't one. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. The postman handed my sister several letters. So who handed my sister several letters? What's being said about postman? Handed what? Letters. Are letters the same thing as postman? Nope, so it's a direct object. Handed becomes the verb transitive. Handed the letters to whom? Indirect object, right? How many letters? Two sisters. And then the pattern. None, right? Period. So the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, this is natural or inverted order. Do you owe me an apology? And there should be a question mark after there, right? I just forgot it. Okay, so who owes me an apology? Subject, pronoun, right? What is being said about you? Verb. Oh, what? Is apology the same thing as you? Nope. So it's the direct object. O becomes the verb transitive. Oh, the apology to whom? Indirect object, right? And is a article adjective. Do is a. Technically, we should have said for the verb, we should have said do O, and O would have been the verb, and do would have been the helping verb. Okay. Pattern. There prepositional phrase? No, it's the natural or inverted order. We forgot our question mark, right? Question mark. Interrogative sentence. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. You and O. Is there an adverb exception? No, because we don't have one. Is this in natural or inverted order? Inverted. Let's do twice. One. And then O, me an apology twice. That accident surely taught me a good lesson. What taught me a good lesson? Accident. What is said about accident? Taught. Taught. What? Lesson isn't the same thing as accident, right? Taught becomes the verb. Transitive. Taught whom? It's the indirect object. What kind of lesson? Okay. No, adverb. Okay, what kind of accident? That. Or which accident? So, adjective. Okay, pattern. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern, 3. Check. Okay, prepositional phrase. No, period. Back to the verb, divide the complete subject between the predicate. So it'd be between Shurley and taught. Is there an adverb exception? Yes. So you actually need to put it between accident and Shurley. Okay? Is the natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay, so there's no change.